Have you ever spent minutes or hours or even days trying to find specific content within Microsoft 365? Welcome to the new Microsoft 365 search experience, enhanced and powered by AI, making your content more easily findable and manageable via the search bar experience. Hey everyone, welcome to the Microsoft 365 Copilot Connection. My name is Nick Harris, and I'm a Senior Copilot Cloud Solution Architect with Microsoft. Today I am really excited. We have this awesome new search experience to navigate all of you through, powered and enhanced with artificial intelligence technologies, making it easier to find and manage the content that is around you within your working enterprise environment. This experience is actively rolling out to enterprise customers at this time that have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. In July, we are rolling this out to targeted release users, and in August, we will make this experience generally available. So let's start off by reviewing the overall user interface experience. And as you see, not too much has changed within this experience. We still have our search bar with the ability to directly leverage keyword search as we require. We have some recommended documents as well, and we have the ability to reference quick access based files, which have now been moved under this search section. That provides you direct access to all of your recent files that you've opened, any files that you've directly shared, and any files that you've directly favorited. What I have noticed as well within this particular quick access experience is the inclusion now of work chats. So as you see up here at the top, I have a filter for Copilot chats, so I can filter down to look at just my conversation history as well. I also do have the inclusion of Copilot pages too for easy access if I'm not directly accessing my conversation history or pages via the left side navigation bar. You do also have the ability in the top right hand corner to toggle to the old search experience if you require. However, most likely you will stick with this new search experience because of what it can do for you. Now let's go ahead and do a normal keyword search and let's see what this new experience looks like. In this example, I'm working with my client, Acme Corporation, and I want to find some documents that I'm looking for. If I click into this search box, I have the ability to see any recent searches in the past, as well as recent files I've gone to as well. In this case, I will just click on Acme Corporation, as that's my search criteria, and I'll review through the search entry list. All of these search results that are available to me that I can then review as I used to. You'll notice that this experience really isn't different in any form. You still have the ability to leverage normal keyword search to your requirements, which is very useful and easy for you, especially if you're not used to new Copilot natural language experiences with how we prompt. And prompting really is the key ingredient to success here. As we talk to the new Copilot experiences that are being injected into this enterprise search experience, you'll notice already we have some prompts readily available to us. Within the recommended section, we have 3 files here, and they automatically include some sample prompts that we can leverage and prompt against the file. For example, I have this briefing document for compliance strategies with Acme Corporation, and maybe I want to get feedback for this, or maybe I want to list the key points or draft an email seeking feedback. I can click on these particular entries, and it takes me directly to a work chat conversation. It's automatically injected the prompt into my experience and started to provide direct output that I can then review. And you can tell that the prompt is fairly detailed. We might want to modify or change this overall conversation, but at least it gets us started with understanding further information within that file. Now, let's talk about some new functionality. Out with the old, in with the new, as they say. As you see here, a little bit different in the search box. I've now prompted like I would in a normal Copilot chat experience. I've directly leveraged natural language and I'm indicating to this search experience, hey, I want the latest organization information for Acme Corporation, specifically related to any compliance issues. The prompt's cut off, but you'll see here in a second. After submission of the prompt, we receive our normal search result entries. However, we also see Copilot is directly responding within this particular search result list. And what I can do is I can go to the Copilot output and I can continue reading the information. As you see here, we have some compliance updates in progress, as well as broader project context with the cited results as well. And what's really cool is I can continue to message Copilot and naturally prompt and give it information in detail to further align it to my requirements. In this case, directly injected within that search result list, I can prompt generate an email to Corey indicating we have been working with legal on the new compliance updates and policies we will be publishing on August 1st of 2025. If I continue to message, Copilot will then take me directly to a work chat experience. It submits that prompt for me, and I can directly review the email that has now been provided. I can also scroll back up and see all of the previous information that Copilot had provided me in its original output. Now, navigating back to the main search experience, I'm in the quick access list. And another new functionality that's available is the ability to quickly and easily review the document content that appears within this quick access list. If you notice, next to particular files within this list, I have a little star icon. What does that mean? If I hover over this star icon, I now get a direct document preview. And as you see, Copilot has built a summary based on the document content for me. So gone are the days where we have to click back and forth and in and out of results. In any quick access experience, we have the ability for the AI assistant to give us information back without having to prompt at all. This allows me to easily review the content and understand if it's something that I need to navigate into further or move on. Now, another use case you may leverage this new experience for is the ability to search the public web for data as well. Previous search experiences within Microsoft 365 only resulted in data that existed within the internal enterprise. And now I have the ability to natural language prompt in the search box to also retrieve data from the public web, just like you can in the normal Copilot work chat experience with the web content toggle on. So the prompt here I've inserted into the search box is to provide me a list of information and updates from techcommunity.microsoft.com on the latest updates for Microsoft 365 Copilot. Now you'll notice the search results are still internal search results. However, the injected response from Copilot does pull from the public-facing web. So I've opened up that particular response, and here are the direct results. And you can see from the citations, Copilot is directly pulling from web-based data sources. So now I can also intermix internal and web-based data, whether that be file data that I receive from my internal enterprise, or web-based data results that are directly provided back to me via natural language responses from Copilot. So in close, this is a powerful new experience for all of you to take advantage of. When I look at this in comparison to normal Copilot experiences, for those of you that are more experienced and advanced, you will gear more towards the current chat experience to have natural language chat with the AI assistant and get the results back that you require in the ways that you need. However, for those of you that may be beginner or intermediate users, I could see this as a great way to bridge the gap. This is a way that you can directly leverage either natural language or keyword search queries in the way that you've been used to using internet search browsers or enterprise search engines for many, many years. I also look at this as an advantage for all of you when it comes to finding information that exists in your enterprise. The fact that you can use a natural language query and then intermix Copilot responses along with file lists makes it easier to find and manage the content around you so you can move forward in your work. So that's it for me for today, everyone. I hope that this information has been worth your time. I do greatly appreciate the support as always. If you like this content, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions, share with your colleagues and your peers, and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you all so much for your time as always. Have a good one, everybody.